Nice. So we've not been on these trails before, so we're just having a little drop off the back of this other bit of a mountain, but it's the first chairlift we've seen in this resort that's open. Nice, we'll stop for a picnic there. Dusty. There's a blue and a red that comes off the back, but I said let's do the blue first. Oh, look at the views though. Spectacular. Oh. We've not even looked at the map with this. We're just going, finding out where it ends up. It's pretty damn cool up here. Really, really cool. A little bit of a ridge line here. Cool. Over the bridge. If you weren't on an e-bike, it's a fair bit of pedalling on this little bit. Not all down like most of the other trails here. Oh my goodness, look at that down there. Clearly a lesser ridden trail. Super cool, I like this though, it's quite mellow. Mellow, and you've got spectacular views all around you. Nice. Not a lot of people are in this resort as opposed to the places like Leger and Morsey. It's underrated. So underrated. Let's drop in this way now. Oh. So cool. Take that berm. Don't want to take too much speed through these bends because I don't know what's on the other side. But oh, what a view down there. You can see these trails are a bit less maintained, but they're not bad. Just in some areas they could do with a bit more berm. Bit more bermage. Look at this though. You can get some hella speed along here. Still being careful. Wow. God, this is absolute junk. Definition of flow. Wow. Oh, drifted right up onto the side there. We're going to jump that way. Nice. This is a long trail. Very long trail. Huge berm there, but let it slip round. Just holding out the brakes a bit here, it's quite steep. And then it continues on round this way, under the trees. Nice. It's a very beautiful trail. Very beautiful trail. Woo! Nice little jump there. Over that. I think what I'll do, I'll wait for the others here. Wow. Hey!
Why's the grass so slippery?
Sick. Man down.
Watch out.
Look at it. I mean, it's just spectacular. That was a bloody good trail. I mean, certain places it needed bigger berms, but
I pressed the brake a bit and it slipped round a bit too much.
It did then.
that's mad. All that's left to do is to continue down there. Bit of follow cam now. Oh, oh, oh. Get back on the trail, shall we? Dusty cam. Good job we're wearing goggles. I can't have an eye full of. Oh, and it crosses straight across into this. Tech. First chairlift of the holiday. Ah, lovely. Why are yours on first? Believe it or not a single soul seen on that trail the whole way down, and there's nobody on this lift. We're the only people. But there you go, there's Sam down there. So the lady said leave the bikes and she put them on for us. So we're on our way back up. Might do the red trail now. Hopefully there'll be some more jumps in that maybe. Yeah, so how can there be nobody down there this side of the mountain? Anyway, we'll go up. Yeah, like I say, probably try and do the red. But it's the first chairlift of the holiday. There's not many here. They're all sort of bubble cable cars. Load of sheep over there. Sheep farmer. I mean, there's views for absolute days. So Sam's bright idea is to go and follow this off-piste section that he's just seen somebody go down. Not entirely sure this is a trail. You have no idea where this goes.
Back over and release the brakes. It's alright, it's fine. Please don't.
Oh God.
Nice, nice. Well.
Ooh. So this is now a red that also ends up at a black. Don't think we were doing the black, but this is what we rode the last time we were here with our guide. Oh, the opposite camber does not help. on over into this.
Even the picture doesn't do it justice.
Sublime.
Oh, there's a lot of slate and rock here. Highline was indeed very good, Sam. Thank you. Gore. We'll drop into that over a cattle grid. Around that huge berm. There we have Sam again. Give him a bit of space. It's just about letting things roll. Tech, absolute tech. Gnarly, gnarly. Just gotta let it roll over shit like that. Nice. Beautiful weather. Absolutely blazing. I don't remember all these switchbacks from last time we were here, but we definitely wouldn't have gone the black trail, so we would have come this way, I'm sure of it. Absolute tech. Tech, tech, tech and more tech. Put a techno beat on it. Oh. Ooh. My lord, some big old rocks. So it's that time. We've came down, got the bikes down, solar panels out, ready to charge them back up again. And fantastic news. The gendarme came down this lovely track, stopped here, got out, both of them, and told us that we can't park here. It's strictly forbidden. It's a national park. Now don't get me wrong, I'm sure to them it is a national park, but I don't think it's actually strictly a registered national park on the maps. Nonetheless, he said we shouldn't be here and we need to move. So the vans are obviously in a pitched up state. You've got all the seats swung round, stuff piled in there, and we now need to pack everything up in 1 hour and move. And he was moaning about the fact that we shouldn't be leaving rubbish everywhere. I mean, we've got a bin bag that we've been putting our rubbish in. Charging bikes on solar energy. We're not leaving rubbish. Anyway, it is what it is, and we now need to move. So this lovely spot here is going to be no more for us. We're going to have to move somewhere else. We don't want to be in a gravel car park. That's just not us. So we're going to go and find a place lower down in the valley, I think next to the river. Just means we need to come back up in the morning. So I don't know why the gendarmes need to be so rude and sort of passive aggressive, but they just are, and that's just the French police, it seems. He could have been like, well, you shouldn't really be here, but I'll let you stay one more night. You're clearly not leaving a mess, but they just like to create something out of nothing. So off we go down into the valley. So now the other issue that we're facing as we're on our way down is the fact that we only had 50 miles of fuel before we went up. You have to excuse me because I'm driving. We only had 50 miles of fuel before we went up. That went down to nothing, and we genuinely have nothing showing on the screen. There goes somebody overtaking us, because we are just cruising and rolling down this hill because, yeah, we don't have any fuel at all. I mean, we do, but I don't know how much is in there, and we need to get to a petrol station at the bottom, so we need enough to get to the petrol station. So around all these hairpins, we're in no gear, and we're just taking it very, very slowly, and obviously people are now going to get impatient, so we need to find a petrol station. That's the state of play at the moment, and this is all, well, it was going to happen tomorrow anyway. This is all thanks to the gendarme that we're having to do it now, so thank you for that. Let's see if we get to the bottom. We'll keep you updated. And just like that, there goes my water. We've made it. 0 miles left in the tank apparently, but we had a fair way to come down from all the way up there. But let's get some fuel in the van. Well, that was expensive, wasn't it? 160 euros. I've never driven down a grass road before, but we're escaping the gendarme and going down to the river. So we've had many rocky roads and things like that, but this is a grass track, but there's a tree in the way, which I'm having to fell. So I'll put you up here and you can watch.
A few moments later.
Muscle power. I was worried for a second that felling that tree was going to be a wasted mission, but we are greeted with those spectacular views. Because of coming down here and having to find a new pitch, everything's a bit of a mess at the moment, as you can imagine, but we've just got a fire just started now. We're going to let that burn down, put some coal on, and we're going to cook some grub on the barbecue now tonight, I think, because we've got chicken to cook, burgers to cook. Let that go, as I say, let it die down, and then we'll cook some barbecue stuff. Looking forward to that. Plenty of wood for that. Everything's all over the place, but the sun is just going to go down over the mountains over there, greeted with all these views. What more could you want? So sometimes you do get a silver lining, and these things are sometimes meant to be. Crack open a beer shortly, get the food on, and get our bellies filled. Came out of the toilet, tyre was completely flat, like completely flat. The Pic Blanc lift, which takes you to 3,330 metres, is closed for bikes. Only walkers can go up. Joe, man, fucking sick. Tell you what I am going to do.